Hello, my name is Ashton Sarao and my teammate is Ria Jason. So the tool that we have chosen and will delve into deeper is called TextRazor. So TextRazor is an advanced tool for text analytics. It helps you extract meaningful insights from unstructured text, which is crucial for applications, be it ranging from content categorization or to sentiment analysis. So what exactly is TextRazor? It is a text analysis API that enables you to extract and analyze various aspects of text. This includes entities, sentiment relationships, and more. So it provides an easy to use platform for businesses, developers, and researchers to process large amounts of textual data efficiently. So what are the key features of TextRazor? The first feature is entity extraction. So one of the key features is the ability of TextRazor to identify entities in text. So these entities can include people, places, organizations, products, and even specific events. So for example, in the text we will analyze today, which is using Nike's text, TextRazor will recognize Nike and Marathon as entities in our text. Second feature is sentiment analysis. So TextRazor also performs sentiment analysis to determine the overall tone of the text. So it can classify the text into positive, neutral, or negative. So for example, the excitement around the new Nike product launch and marathon record is recognized as a positive sentiment in the text. Third is relationship extraction. Another powerful feature of TextRazor is relationship extraction. So it helps us understand how different entities in the text are related. So the first feature was entity extraction, after which TextRazor also helps us identify the relationship between these features. So in our example, it identifies the relationship between Nike and the new running shoes, as well as the marathon record. Fourth feature is category classification. So TextRazor can also classify text into predefined categories. So for example, it may classify the text under sports, entertainment, or social media based on the content's context. Lastly, TextRazor also helps dependency parsing. So it is a way to analyze the grammatical structure of the sentence and understand the relationship between words. So this helps in tasks like understanding which words are acting as the subject, verb, or object in a sentence. So now we will delve into how TextRazor actually works. First is the processing of the text. So TextRazor works by taking raw text input and processing it through its engine to identify key aspects like entities, relationships, and sentiments. So we can use TextRazor through an API also, making it easy to integrate into any application or system. Second, how it works is it helps in real-time analysis as well. So let's take a look into TextRazor now and how it analyzes a real piece of text. So the sentences we are about to use now is Nike's new product releases text. So my teammate Ria will be explaining further into how it is done.
Now, we will be extracting the analysis for the Nike text. Basically, it is a text about Nike Air Zoom Alpha Fly shoes and it has a mixed review from customers and we have taken that particular text. So, what we are doing is we put our custom text into the given tool. Once we do so, we click on Analyze. The text is being processed by the particular tool. So the first thing that the tool does is that it divides the given customized text into individual sentences that are present in the paragraph. As we can see, each sentence is taken separately. And for each sentence, it gives different categories. So there's words, phrases, relations, entities, meaning, and the dependency parse, which is basically a tree which shows how each word is dependent on different words in that sentence. Similarly, all these categories are present for each sentence in the paragraph. So firstly, we'll look at the first category, which is the words. As we can see that this shows there's a token for example Nike. Each word is given a token and it shows how it is placed in the tree that we saw in the dependent parsing. It also allots parts of speech. So in case of Nike, it gives a noun. For the word has, it gives a verb, and so on. And on the right side, we can see it gives categories that are pre-allotted. So from the text that we have given, it predicts that it has a 0.78 probability of it being an art or cultural or entertainment media text, or also a science or technology related text. Moving down, we see particular topics that are allotted to the text, like it is for Nike as in the company. Secondly, it is a social media feedback or a review text. So that is what it gives us. And then as we move further down, it allots lesser and lesser probabilities, which shows that the ones that are given 1 are much more relevant to the particular paragraph than the other topics. Moving ahead to the entities part. As mentioned earlier, it allots entities. So Nike Inc., it gives the confidence score and the relevance score. The relevance score is basically how relevant this entity is to the entire paragraph. And as mentioned before, it is a paragraph about the new shoes that Nike has launched. Thus, it gives a certain value to the relevance of it having. Secondly, it categorizes it as an agent or an organization or a company. As we move further down, we can see that in the next sentence in the entities category, if we look at the second row, we can see that there's a person who is mentioned, and it is given that this person is an athlete or a person. So that is also given out in the entities part. Along with that, marathon is also categorized as an activity or a sport under this paragraph. Moving on to the meaning category. Again, according to the pre-allotted database that TextRazor has, it allots a certain score or a certain value to each word in relevance or in context to that paragraph. So here, a product is categorized or given a context as a product and not some ingredient or substance. Hence, the contextual score or the prior score and the total score as well is 1. Whereas, if you see in the third row for product as ingredient, it shows minus 0.086 as the contextual score, which implies that product as an ingredient is not very relevant to this paragraph. That concludes our explanation for the tool TextRazor. We can say that we can use the tool TextRazor as a powerful tool that can help extract valuable insights from any kind of unstructured text. The text that we made use of contained several numbers, prices, currencies in terms of dollars. There were also special punctuation marks that were included, such as hashtags, in the text. So whether you are looking to content categorization or monitoring social media sentiment or automating data extraction from text, TextRazor offers the capabilities to do so in an efficient and much faster manner. Thank you.